Welcome to the second part of this video. Now we are going to talk about those verbs that just accept the infinitive form as a second verb. Here we have some examples of some of these verbs. When we use these verbs, the second verb has to be an infinitive, yes or yes. They don't accept gerunds. For example, we can say, I've never learned to surf. Learn is the main verb. To surf is my second verb. Also, I may say, she decided to move to Paris. Decided is the main verb. To move is my second verb. And as you can see, to surf, to move, they are expressed in the infinitive form. Also, we can use a noun and a pronoun between the verb and the infinitive. For example, they allow people to arrive at any time. Allow is my main verb. People is the noun that is between the main verb and my second verb, to arrive. Another example, elder people want children to respect traditions. Want is my main verb, children is the noun, and to respect is my second verb. Also, authorities permitted them to celebrate a party despite a pandemic. In this case, in this example, we are using a pronoun. But be careful, we need to use an object pronoun, not a subject pronoun. Object pronoun. Them, him, us, etc. Also, we can have a negative verb. Of course, we can use it in the negative form. They don't allow people to arrive at any time. In this case, my main verb is in negative. Also, I can say elder people don't want children to respect traditions. Don't want is negative. My main verb is negative. Or also, I can say authorities didn't permit them to celebrate a party because of the pandemic. Didn't permit, in this case, is in the simple past, them to celebrate a party. In this case, my main verb is also is possible to negate the infinitive, not the main verb, the infinitive. Look at this. For example, they asked them not to do multitask at class hours. They asked, they ordered them, in other words, not to do something. Another example, politicians promised us not to steal people's money. This is a promise from politicians. As you can see, my main verb is promise. Then here I have a pronoun, and my infinitive has the negative form. Politicians promise us not to steal people's money. And also here I have another example. Authorities persuaded people not to celebrate the great power. They persuaded people not to do something, in this case, not to celebrate the great power. So you can negate, you can use the negative infinitive as well. This is a way to use a noun and a pronoun between the main verb and the second verb It's not for all the verbs. Do you remember this page? This list of verbs? Yeah. Only from this list, these are allowed to use a noun or a pronoun between the main verb and the second verb. Well, now it's time to practice. Please stop the video and complete these sentences. All of them need the structure, main verb, noun or pronoun, plus infinitive. Well, it's time to say goodbye. If you need to watch the video again, just stop, go back until you understand. If you have some questions, please write down. And also you may find a PDF with a list of verbs that are followed by infinitive or gerunds or both. And also this list includes some common verbs with prepositions. Thank you for watching this video and see you in another opportunity.